Hey, so my friend and I did a DIY how to convert pierced real earrings to clip-ons, so here it is. Okay.
So I can't wear pierced earrings, and lots of times I'll find pretty ones like this one that I found in a thrift store, but it's an ear wire. So I buy cheap earrings from Claire's that are clipped, and then I take the earring off of it and swap it with the other one. And so I'll show you how I do that. So first I start with the clip, and I turn the little ring where it attaches to the earring. I don't know if you can see that, but just turn it, whoopsie, turn it sideways. That went a little bit, but not far enough. And this is to open it up so I can slip the earring off and swap it out. Still not far enough. There we go. So then we take the earring off of there, set it there so it's easy to grab. Now we take this ear wire here and open it up a little bit so that we can slip the dangle off of the ear wire, like that. Now we'll take this and put it onto the ring that we opened up on the clip, and close it back up again. There, and then just give it a little pinch to make sure it's closed tight. Make sure it's hanging straight. A little bit off to one side. All right, so now I have a clip earring that I can wear. Ta-da! And then I take the old earring that I took off of there, the old dangle, and I slip it onto the ear wire, and now you have a new earring on the ear wire. And then these I usually just give to the thrift store or to friends if they like the earring. And that's it.